Hello, everyone. So today
Hi.
we are from group 5. We are going to explain and have a presentation about the point of view from the story Turning 30. Before that, let's introduce ourselves. Start from PW.
Hello guys, I'm Putri Wahyu.
Hi, my name is Agatha Sinta.
Hi, my name is Jasmine.
Hi, my name is Gaby. So without further ado, so let's get started to the first definition of the point of view. What is point of view? Point of view is what the character or narrator telling the story can see. It is from his or her perspective. The author chooses who is the tell to the story by determining to the point of view. Depending on who the narrator is, he or she will be standing at one point and seeing the action. This viewpoint will give the narrator a partial or whole view of events as they happened. Many stories have the protagonist telling the story, while in others, the narrator may be another character or an outside viewer, a narrator who is not in the story at all. The narrator should not be confused with the author, who is the writer of the story and whose opinions may not be those written into the narrative. And the importance of point of view is point of view is important in a story because it helps the reader to understand the character's feelings and action. Each character will have this or her own perspective, so whoever is telling the story will impact the reader's opinion of other characters and events. Additionally, reading the story from a character in the story versus an external character changes the amount of information a reader has as the story unfolds. With an omniscient third person, we can see everything before others' characters do, which give us a forewarning about others' limited third person, we are not allowed to see other events until the narrator does so. This may leave us with more surprises as we read. And from the point of view, there are four characteristics from the point of view. My friends Sinta or Pewe will continue.
Next slide, Jasmine. Okay, the type of point of view. First person point of view. When we talk about ourselves, our opinion, and the things that happen to us, we generally speak in the first person. The biggest clue that a sentence is written in the first person is the use of first person pronouns. We, us, our, and ourselves are all first person pronouns. Specifically, they are plural first person pronouns. Singular first person pronouns include I, me, mine, and myself. Second person point of view. The second person point of view belongs to the person or people being addressed. This is the you perspective. Once again, the biggest indicator of the second person in the use of second person pronouns you or your. The third person omniscient point of view. The third person omniscient point of view is a method of storytelling in which the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all the characters in the story. The The third person is not the same as the third person limited, a point of voice that adheres closely to one character's perspective, usually the main characters. The third person omniscient use he or she. And the last, the third person limited. The third person limited point of view is a method of storytelling in which the character knows only the thought and feelings of a single character, while other characters are present only externally. The third person limited use he or she. Okay, next, PWL Jasmine.
I will explain more about third-person point of view. There are three kinds of third-person point of view. First is omniscient. Omniscient, or usually called eye of God, is point of view that considered the most flexible because the knowledge is unlimited. Second is limited or selected omniscient. This point of view focuses on characters and what she or he thinks, hears, and other expressions. Third, objective or grammatic. This point of view just tells the truth and describe event from the outside. Next, Jasmine.
Okay, and last, I'm going to tell you a point of view from Turning 30 story. So the author of this story uses a limited third-person perspective that follows the perspective Ah Leong's mother, who lived with him and his wife for many years. Why I say this is limited? Because in this story, the perspective used is very limited and doesn't focus, but only on a few things. So that's all from group 5. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
Thank you,
Have a nice
guys.
day. Goodbye. Thank you,
Bye,
guys.
guys.